I'm Luis Fernandez. I'm the founder of Mind Over Matter, which is a franchise of psychics, but exclusively in malls. Everything started because when I was a child, my mom wanted me to learn how to play the violin. One of the times that I was practicing, one of the strings snapped and took my eye, so I lost vision on this eye, but it opened my third eye. Because from that moment on, I was able to see sounds, which it backfired a bit because my family thought that I had schizophrenia because they were putting music to calm me down, and I was actually watching the music, singing along with them like karaoke style.